How to change your default phone dialer app on your Infinix Hot smartphone or any other Infinix smartphone. If you want to use another phone dialer app on your Infinix smartphone, use the quick access and tap on the settings toggle found right to the top here. As you enter here, you are going to look for the one that says App Management or App List. So just go down and you'll see App Management here. And as you enter here, you're going to go ahead and look for default apps. That's what you're looking for. And now that you're here, you'll see where it says phone app. So you're going to look for the one that says phone app. And when you go here, you should see more than one instead of just the system default. If you only see just one, you can always go into the Play Store here, type in dialer and install some free ones. Once they're fully installed, you can come back here and you should see them there for as long as they are compatible. And once you switch to them, sometimes it may ask you to restart or automatically start using it as your default dialer. Like and sub.